how to check if iPhone is original without opening the box. So if you want to check if iPhone is original or not without opening the box, then what you need to do is on the back side, on the bottom back side of your iPhone box, you will have serial number. So once you have your iPhone box, on the bottom left, you will have the serial number, which looks like this. Once you find your serial number, you need to just simply open up any phone, any like iPhone or Android, and then search for the serial number. Or you can also do the same thing inside your phone, which is you can go with your general under your settings and then go with about section, and here you will have your serial number. It will be on your box as well. So once you have your serial number, you need to go to a browser and search for check coverage Apple. Once you do that, you need to go with the first website, which is checkcoverage.apple.com, and here it will ask you to enter your serial number. So tap on enter serial number and then paste the serial number right here, or enter the serial number which is on the back side of your device. Once you enter your serial number, you need to just simply go with next, which will be in the top, and you will have all of the information like this, like the purchase date, serial number, the model of your phone, and all of this type of information. So if it matches with your device, then it is original, and if not, then you have a fake one. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.